I was diagnosed with bladder cancer, and I had to live with it, take it in my stride, which I do try to do. I had blood in my urine, which went on daily for about a week. So I went to my surgery, and the practice nurse diagnosed cystitis, which she treated me for quite a few weeks. The doctor then operated on me to take the tumour away. And I said to him, please keep me going till my 90th birthday. And he promised he would, and he did. And now I'm almost 93, so I'm still going strong. I was depressed for a short while after my initial tumour. The tumour removal was successful, but there was some cancer cells in the outer layer of the bladder wall. And then he treated me for about a year with an infusion of a drug which didn't work. Cancer cells escaped, and he recommended that I go on to a program, and it's been absolutely amazing. The treatment I'm having into my bladder is a chemotherapy drug, and it's heated, and it takes about an hour, and it's administered by a Macmillan nurse, and it's painless, and I'll just fall asleep during that time. As far as the treatment is concerned, and the day after I feel a little bit nauseous, I do take an anti-sickness tablet, which really helps. And then by the next day, I'm back to normal. I have an endoscopy in between the treatments, and if it shows any cancer cells, then they zap it with a laser. It was a great shock to me to be diagnosed, but there will be times for somebody who's been diagnosed when they don't feel 100%, but it passes and you carry on. I find that's the point, is to live each day to the full as much as you can, and then to have some support from family to help you get through a day and to do things normally. I can still bake, which I enjoy. I find it therapeutic. And my son and daughter-in-law are wonderful because they book theatre for me, taking me to the theatre and concerts, and I go to concerts with a friend as well. There's a local symphony orchestra that's wonderful. We love their concerts. So there's quite a lot going on. And of course I see the family, the visits to my little great niece. The last 2 times I'm being clear, no cancer cells. So my surgeon was jumping up and down with her delight. So all's well at the moment.